What is up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a crash test on this iPhone XS. So guys, here you can see there's an iPhone in my hand and I'm going to ride this bike over this iPhone. So guys, let's do this. I put in my iPhone over right here and let's start the ride. So guys, here you can see Alright guys, here you can see our iPhone and there is no damage on this iPhone. Here you can see it's a scratchless iPhone. So guys, if you enjoy this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel and keep watching. Bye bye.
Yeah.